How to use predictions to enhance your trading. The average person views the successful trader as someone who has a crystal ball and can predict market turns. They've got the perfect system. It's a secret formula that enables them to foresee when to buy and when to sell. If only one could have access to this forbidden knowledge, they too could make millions from the markets. Successful traders do use predictions to create profitable trading systems, but not like you would imagine. Any trade can have a variety of potential outcomes, but the key is to have a plan for the unwanted outcomes. The profitable trader predicts that the worst case scenario will occur and then works backwards. It's all about having a plan around what can go wrong. For instance, if you knew a stock would fall 20% after you bought it, what type of loss would you be able to handle? If you made a prediction like this, you would look to determine a proper stop loss point in case your prediction was correct. What about earnings? If you knew the stock was likely to gap down 10%, how would that affect your portfolio? These are the types of things a pro focuses on. While the amateur loves to calculate their next fortune, the professional thinks about what can go wrong. As you can tell, I spend a lot of time thinking about risk management. The key is to predict the worst, make a plan around it, and then let your positions make the decisions for you. If your worst case scenario does indeed happen, at least you are prepared for it. If it does not, then the winning positions take care of themselves.